In front of me is INFINIX Zero X Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation. First of all, you can go into tab menu and look for auto rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is grey, which means that auto rotation is off. To turn it on, hit the same one. You can also go into device settings, hit display and brightness here, and then scroll all the way down to click on this switcher next to auto rotate screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!